Hello friends, today we are dealing with the introduction to transamination. Prior to the metabolism of their carbon skeleton into a major metabolic intermediate, the alpha amino group of the amino acid has first to be removed by a process known as transamination. In this process, the alpha amino group of the most amino acid is transferred to alpha ketoglutarate to form glutamate and the corresponding to acid. The enzymes that catalyze these reactions are called transaminases and in mammals are found predominantly in the liver. For example, aspartate transaminase catalyzes the transfer of the amino group of aspartate to alpha ketoglutarate. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.